guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi Singh. बहुत अजीब सा intro है आज की वीडियो का. Anyway, so today I'm filming this new video which is a Myntra haul after ages. I know you guys must be waiting for this haul video. So I bought some amazing kurtis, some dresses, some tops, jeans and so many other stuff. So I hope you guys like this video and find it useful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're new on my channel, then subscribe. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. So starting with this first thing जो कि है एक play suit from the brand H&M, and this is a very pretty plus super comfortable jumpsuit. I loved it so much. This comes with V-neck, narrow shoulder straps and an elasticated drawstring at the waist. As you can see, side में pockets है, wide legs है, and the fabric is 100% viscose. And इसमें सारे sizes out of stock थे when I found this one. So L size available था. I thought कि ठीक है try करके देख लेते हैं. So I bought L size, and ये थोड़ा सा मुझे loose है, but still I'm so happy with this one because the fabric quality is actually nice. It looks great and it's very simple and basic play suit. You can style these type of play suits when you are going on vacations or when you are going markets or anywhere. So I personally loved it, and the best part is it was super duper affordable. And if this jumpsuit is still available or in stock, I will provide all the links in the description box. You can check out and you can go for one oversize because anyway you can manage it. And yep. Next up, I got this beige and black printed crepe dress. So this is a straight fit dress. I got this one again in sale, but to be very honest, I did not like the length of this one or the fitting of this one. So this is again 100% viscose fabric. This comes with a round neckline and long sleeves. Also, this has a very big cut at the back with a concealed zip closer. This is a very fitted plus loose type of a dress. तो ये थोड़ा skirt और top वाला look देती है. Looks very classy and elegant. But I did not like the fitting of this one. First of all, ये मुझे काफी ज़्यादा short है. So अगर आपकी हाइट भी 5'4", 5'5" है तो आपको भी इसी तरह की फिटिंग आएगी. बट अगर आपकी हाइट 5 और 5'2" है देन इट विल लुक गुड ऑन यू. बट पर्सनली आई डिड नॉट लाइक दिस वन, ऑल्दो इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल. बट अगेन आई हैव टू रिटर्न दिस वन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज वेल. Next up, I got this charcoal grey mom fit high-rise / knee non-stretchable cropped jeans. So that is what the description says basically. So this is from the brand Mango. I really love the charcoal grey color, but to be honest, I did not again like the fitting of this one. Maybe I got the bigger size, that can be one reason, but the other reason is actually they have mentioned that it's high-rise, but it's not high-rise. I found it mid-rise. Moreover, ये regular fit में आती है, non-stretchable है, 5 pockets है. I love the color of this one, and it was quite expensive as well. So this can't be your go-to jeans, but if you wanted something like this for style, then definitely you can go for it. So yeah. The next thing which I bought is this white solid balloon sleeve top from the brand H&M. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. The balloon sleeves look really pretty. The fabric of this one is 98% polyester, 2% elastane. This comes with a round neckline and voluminous balloon sleeves. As you can see, covered elastication at the cuffs, partially open back with ties at the back of the hem, which makes it look very sexy. As you can see, I love this top. It is so pretty. The fitting is perfect. The color, the pattern, everything is so amazing. Although it's quite expensive, but I think it's totally worth it because it has a very nice fabric. So yeah. Next up, I got this 3-layer gold plated and black layered statement necklace, which is from the brand Globus. So this comes with metal with artificial stones, and again this is a very pretty neck. You can style these type of neck pieces with your dresses, with your tops. I mean, these type of neck pieces can give you a very elegant look. So whenever you want to style little extra, then definitely you can go for this one. The price of this one is somewhere around 600 or 700, but I can assure you about the quality क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम से Globus की jewelry use करती हूँ, and I love their jewelry pieces as per quality perspective as well. So yeah. Next, I bought this white solid empire dress, which comes with a round neck, short sleeves, and flared hems. And the fabric of this one is cotton, so that is the reason I love this one. I love the balloon sleeves of this one. The fitting is perfect. It's a fit and flare dress, and fit and flare dresses का best part होता है that you can hide your belly fat very easily, and they look really gorgeous, very pretty, and very cute type of dress. This is, you can create these type of looks with the matching shoes to create a very cool and uber cool type of a look. Basically, this is available in two different shades, white and black, so whichever you like you can go for. I personally like the white one, and the price of this one is somewhere around 800 or 900, which I totally think that it's worth it because it's super comfortable. It's, the fabric is cotton, the pattern is also very trendy right now, so according to all these things I think this is totally worth it, and you can definitely go for this one. I'm sure it will look cute on anyone. So yeah. Now next I bought this black solid A-line dress, which is again from the brand H&M. The fabric is 100% viscose. This is a sleeveless A-line jersey dress with slightly deeper armholes, pockets in the side seams, and a double layer at the top. It's super duper comfortable dress, and whenever you are going out, definitely you can style these type of dresses like this, or with your jackets, or maybe sometime if you want you can also style them with your jeans. So depends how you carry them, but personally I again love this one. The fabric is really soft on the skin. Love the pockets, and I'm definitely going to use this dress on my next vacation, so keep following me. Now coming to some ethnic wear, so I bought 4 kurtis, since you know that this color is so much in trend these days. This is a mauve or lavender sort of a color, and this kurta is from the brand Warang. It's a mauve solid anarkali kurta, comes with 3/4 sleeves, has a keyhole neck in front with button closer, flared hem, and tie-up detail. The fabric of this one is cotton. I love the color of this one. I love the fabric. I loved everything about this one. Although मैंने जो भी size पहना हुआ है, which is small, so मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा tight है. M एकदम perfect आएगा. So अगर आपको भी body type मेरी तरह है, then you can definitely go for the size M. So this is a very beautiful kurta, very elegant and very affordable as well. Next I bought this white and pink printed straight fit kurta with gota patti detail. Again this is from the brand Warang, and the fabric of this one is 100% cotton. The size I'm wearing right now is M, which I think is perfectly fitting. Again comes with round neck, 3/4 sleeves, straight hem, gota patti detail, and side slit. So this is a very soothing floral print type of a kurta. You can style these type of kurtis for your daily look as well as office wear type of looks. I love the gota patti of the work of this one, and you can style these type of kurtis with your matching jeggings or palazzo pants, and you're good to go. Coming to my third kurta, which is again this mauve or purple foil print straight kurta, again from the brand Warang. Fabric of this one is again cotton. This comes with zari detail, mandarin collar, 3/4 puff sleeves, straight hem, and side slit. So if you guys want to buy this color in straight fit, then you can go for this one, and if you want anarkali sort of look, then you can go for the previous one, which I have already shown. And also this comes with the zari work or embroidery detail on the neckline. Again very pretty, very nice, and very affordable as well. You can style these type of kurtis with some chunky jewelry, flat matching leggings or palazzo pants, and that's all, and you're good to go. And now finally coming to the last item of this haul video, which is this mustard yellow woven design straight fit kurta, again from the brand Warang. I'm sorry, I did not realize that I ordered all the kurtis from the same brand. When I bought these kurtis, they were super affordable, so I did not realize the brand. Anyway, coming back to this kurti, which is again comes with a mandarin collar, 3/4 sleeve, straight hem, side slit, and button closer. The fabric of this one is art silk. It's a very beautiful kurti. You can style these type of kurtis on some special occasions as well, because it has got a really nice shine, na zyada shimmery hai, na zyada dull hai. So definitely you can go for this kurti. And yep, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.